Hey, Nick Davis here, and I'm really excited that you signed up for the Taxes in Retirement workshop. And one of the reasons that I'm excited about this workshop is that people don't realize that when you retire, the presence of Social Security income or capital gains income in the presence of IRA income really changes things. And you could save money simply by making a decision, taking money from this account versus that account, and it comes down to actual taxes paid. And so it's very neat to be able to see that. And so at this workshop, we're going to be talking about why that is and how to determine if that applies to you, and just show you very practically how to get a forward-looking tax map so that you can be as efficient as possible. I promise you, you've never seen anything like this when it comes to retirement planning, and I'm very excited to be able to share that with you for about 60 minutes. So thanks for signing up, and we'll see you there.